Hi, guys. Okay, so the dynamic castle crasher is an interesting thing because the word dynamic literally means every time we do it, it's going to give us a different setup for our castle. So if you're trying to practice how you're going to actually build your code, you're going to realize that what's going to happen is sometimes your code will work and sometimes your code won't work. I've got my code set so that it's going to knock over the castles near the perimeter. So I add always a comment block so that I remember that when I'm building this. So I type in here and I just write in knock over 5 castles near the perimeter. And I do that so that I don't get frustrated every time when I go to like check my code that all of a sudden it's like, why isn't it working this time? It's like, oh yeah, because my code right now really only works for this. Maybe you'll figure out a way to make your code better if you want to be more, if you want to do a greater challenge, but this is just for the basic challenge. So first thing we want to do is we want to get our drivetrain stuff going and we're going to set our velocity. We want to work fast. We don't want it to be slow. We're going to set it to 100, okay? And we want to set our turn velocity also to 100 because we want to be turning fast as well. So these are the things that we want to get it started so that right away, everything we're doing is fast. We don't want to be going slow and moving slow. We want it to go fast, all right? So if my robot right here is sitting here, the first thing I have to do is I have to turn left. So what do? I'm going to turn left 90 degrees. Turn left 90 degrees. There we go. Perfect. And then I'm going to drive forward. Where's my drive forward? Drive forward. Drive forward. There we go. Okay. And I am going to drive forward for approximately, we're a little bit, got to get about halfway. Remember that it is 1900, I believe, 2000, 1800 across. I think we want to get all the way to the edge. So I'm going to go about 850 across, actually, because I want to smash through. Okay, so I'm going to go 850. And now I'm going to do a quick test. I'm going to see what happens. Problem is, probably I won't get back to this maze, but we'll see. Turn right. Smashed it. Okay. Now, the reason we do that is because we're kind of pushing it out of the way. Now, the next thing we want to think about what we want to do is I'm going to back up a little bit. So now I'm going to drive backward, drive reverse, and I'm going to think about, I need to get right back here, which is the equivalent of what it looks like. We're going to drive back. We'll just drive back for, and then we're going to have to turn. We're going to have to turn right so that we can start heading up for 90 degrees. And then again, we're going to go forward so we can crash into that next set of bricks. Certainly, we don't have to go all the way forward. We don't have to, well, we don't have to go all the way the full 1800, but at this point, I'm guessing we probably have to go about 1,000. I'm going to try 1,000. And now again, let's go ahead and let's start. Let's see if we can start from, we're going to hit play. That didn't work. Reset. We got a new set of bricks, but this should still work with this code. Let's see what happens. Turn right. Pushed out of the way. Back up, turn right. Perfect. Look at that. Oh, so look at where 1,000 took us to. So that did not take us far enough. So we're going to go for 1,800. Set. Nope. Don't like it. Don't like it. Okay, I'll try that one. Play. Okay, pushed it through. Backed up. Turn. Okay, we're in line. That should work. Bam. Okay, beautiful. Now look, 1800 took us too far. So theoretically, we could back up, or I'm going to take it actually to 1600. Now, I'm hoping what you're seeing is what we're doing here, right? The idea is that we want to storm the castle. We want to crash through all of these pieces. So we're breaking through every single one. You want to get all of your castle blocks off of the white space. That's the idea. Okay? So I hope that that was a good help to get you started so that you too can storm the castle.